Didn't get it.
We have debris.
Wow. Keep searching, Michael.
HDTV has a pretty nice view.
We got that explosion.
Oh, wow.
Can we get an altitude call?
If you have a chance to look out of the window, look out of the window because the view is
Peter, tell
spectacular.
Spectacular.
Spectacular. Whoa.
Break. Peter, tell me if we need to keep turning.
The object is gradually moving by us. It is almost past.
Do we keep turning? Tell me if you keep turning.
Yes, please keep turning.
Mission director, please ask keep turning.
Go ahead.
And they'd like to keep turning to follow the debris field here.
Okay, keeping the turn. Welcome. Any new heading?
No, I did not have a new heading.
Okay.